Good morning, students. Today we will continue our chapter Introduction to Algebra. It's a revision part, so we are discussing about the exercise. 7th A exercise already discussed in the previous lectures. Now today we will discuss exercise 7B. In this first question given to you, evaluate the given expression for each value of n given in the following table. हमें n की values given है बहुत सारी. According to the value of n, we have to find out the value of algebraic expression. See first part, question first part given to you n plus 3. One expression given to you, algebraic expression given to you n plus 3, and find out if n is equal to 2, n is equal to 3, n is equal to 0, n is equal to 1. What we will do? Algebraic expression given to you n plus 3. We can write down this p of n is equal to n plus 3. n value 2. So we want to find out p of 2. Or there is no need to write down p of 2 because in the higher classes this is a polynomial. So n is equal to 2. Then put the value of n is equal to 2. Then 2 plus 3 is equal to 5. Similarly, n is equal to 3, then 3 plus 3 is equal to 6. n is equal to 0, then 0 plus 3 is equal to 3. n is equal to 1, then 1 plus 3 is equal to 4. So, directly put the value of n in it and then find out the value of algebraic expression. See the another example, another questions. One expression given to you 100n square minus 19. 100n square minus 19. And find the value of this algebraic expression if n is equal to 2, n is equal to 3, n is equal to 0, n is equal to 1. So what we will do? We write down 100 n square, n here 2, then 2 square minus 19. 100 multiplied by 4 minus 19. 400 minus 19. 10 minus 9, 1. 9 minus 1, 8. 381. So what is the value of it? 381. Now if we put 100 and value, we put 3 square, then 100 into 9 minus 19, 900 minus 19, 10 minus 9, 1, 9 minus 1, 8. This is equal to 881. n is equal to 0. Then 100 multiply 0 square minus 19. 0 square 0 and 0 multiplied by anything also 0. Then it becomes answer minus 19. Similarly, if we want to take 1, then it becomes 100. 1 square minus 19. 1 square is 1. Then 100 minus 19. 10 minus 9, 1. Then it becomes 81. So, your first question you can solve now like this. Now see the question number 2. If a is equal to 5, a is equal to 5, more than one variable say b is equal to 6 and c is equal to 10. A is equal to 5, B is equal to 6, C is equal to 10. Find the value of your first algebraic expression given to you 3C by A. So what we will do? We will put the value of C in numerator and A value in denominator. Then we can solve it and we get the answer 6. Another expression given to you, AB upon C. So here all the three variables used. Put the value of these variable. A value 5. AB like this if we are putting, it means they are in multiplication. So 5, B value 6. It means we will do 5 multiply by 6. Don't write down like this. 5, 6, then it becomes 56, not 5 into 6. So, AB here, if both are the variable, it means they are in multiplication. So, 5 into 6 divided by C value 10. 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10, 2 threes are 6. Then your answer is equal to 3. Now next see 6C minus 2AB. 6C minus 2AB. Then put the value 6 multiply by 10 minus 2 multiply by 5 multiply by 6. You can use the formula of BODMAS. Multiplication we will solve firstly. It becomes 60. 2 5s are 10, 6 are 60. It means answer is 0. Now see question number 3rd. Question number 3rd. If A is equal to 6 and x is equal to 2, find the value of 2ax plus 7x minus 10 divided by 4ax minus 3a minus 2. Same manner, we will put the value of a and x here. 2 multiply a value 6 multiply x value 2 plus 7 into x value 2 minus 10. 4 multiply by a value 6 x value 2 3 multiply by a value 6 minus 2. 2 6 are 12, 2s are 24 plus 7 2s are 14 minus 10. 4 6 are 24, 2s are 48 minus 6 3s are 18 minus 2. You can add it firstly. 4 4 8, 2 1 3, 38 minus 10 divided by 48 minus 18. 0, 4 minus 1, 3, 30 minus 2, it becomes 28 divided by 28, that is equal to 1. So, just put the values of the given variable and then solve it. Question number 4th. One question of question number 4 we solve. PQ multiply by, first part, PQ multiply by QP plus 3 plus R. PQ multiply by P plus 3 plus R for P is equal to 2, Q is equal to 3 and R is equal to minus 1. Now put the value here. PQ, P multiply by Q, p plus 3, 2 plus 3 plus r value minus 1. 2 3s are 6, 2 plus 3 5 plus minus minus 1. See properly, here r value minus 1, then plus multiply by minus, always minus, plus multiply by plus, always plus, plus multiply by minus, minus, minus multiply by plus, minus, minus multiply by minus become plus. So 6 5s are 30 minus 1, answer is 29. Okay student, now see the MCQs. The value of a square plus 2a minus 3 for a is equal to 2 is the same thing that we put the value of a, then we find out the value of this given expression. Question number 6c, evaluate x divided by 5 plus 2x for x is equal to 10. See now, put the value of x firstly. 10 divided by 5 plus 2 multiply by 10. Now see, in this also we will apply the BODMAS firstly. BODMAS rule, bracket of division. Firstly we solve division, then we solve multiplication, then addition and then subtraction. Then division, it means firstly in this process we will solve this division. 10 divided by 5 means 2. Then plus 2 multiply by 10. Now the next priority, we have to solve multiplication. Then this one multiplication we have to solve, it becomes 2 plus 20. Then addition, your answer should be 22. It means option second correct. Which expression is not equal to 18? Same thing, what we will do? We will put the value of given variable and then find out the value of algebraic expression. See one hot question here. Your mother says to calculate your pocket money, multiply your age by itself and then double it. If your age is x year, write an algebraic expression representing your pocket money. Your mother says, उसकी मदर ने क्या कहा, to calculate your pocket money, कि अपनी pocket money calculate करने के लिए multiply your age by itself, जितनी तुम्हारी age है उसे खुद से multiply कर दो. It means अगर तुम्हारी age 15 year है, then multiply by itself means 15 multiply by 15. So if age is given, let the age of any name is given? No. Age of son x year. Then according to question, multiply your age by itself, when x multiply by x and then double it. तो जो भी वैल्यू होगी वो क्या हो जाएगी, उसका डबल कर दो, it means twice कर दिया जाए, then it becomes 2x square. So what is your pocket money? In the algebraic expression of your pocket money becomes 2x square. How much do you get as pocket money if your age is 11 years? Now in this case it is given to you that x is equal to 11 years. Then put the value of x. for finding the pocket money. That pocket money of son is equal to 2x square, that is 2 multiplied by 11 square, 2 multiplied by 121, that is 242 rupees. So this time we will solve this one question. Now student, your 7th exercise, 7th chapter complete, 7th A, 7th B. I'll send your exercise details, exercise in the PDF form whenever this lecture will be delivered to you, and complete in your notebook and revise properly now. Okay student, thank you, have a nice day.